Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, I will guide you on how to design creative AI images using WhatsApp. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you install the updated version of WhatsApp. So, open the Play Store or Apple Store on your device and search for WhatsApp. And make sure you do not have the Update option next to WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Now here you will find the Meta AI icon. Simply tap on this icon and you will be redirected to Meta AI Chat. And here you can enter your prompt to design images. So tap on the chat bar, then type /imagine and then enter the desired image prompt you want to design, such as a boy sitting in a car. Then tap on the send button. Meta AI will take a short time and design an amazing AI image according to your prompt. And there you have it. Using Meta AI, you can design amazing AI images in seconds. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.